I just want to show you guys how to manipulate objects within a robot cell inside of RoboGuide. And mainly because the robot thinks it's the real world robot, so whereas certain things may not really matter in simulation and trying to get the job done and do the things you want to do right now, it is basically identical to a real world robot. So you're able to load this code into a real world robot. It's going to operate almost identically to the way that it does in RoboGuide. So the first thing I want to go ahead and point out, we're going to jump into the software here, and uh, notice if we go from this pallet over here to this conveyor, we can go, we can go, we can go, we can go, we can go. Okay, well, we can keep going. I don't know why. Okay, well, that shouldn't have let us do that. We're on the back side of the robot, so this robot should not have given us the ability to pass through here. I don't know why it just allowed that. So you'll see it goes red like this when the robot reaches a position, this triad right here in the circle, sphere. It'll go red when the robot can't actually reach that position. And it should have done that on the back side. I'm not sure why it didn't. Boom, boom. Oh my goodness. So this position's reachable, this position's not reachable. Okay. Boom. Okay, now we reach a non-reachable position. I'm gonna rotate around this back side. Yeah, I'm actually not familiar why it's allowing us to do this. I don't know if this particular robot model has the capability to reach behind itself like this, but generally you only have like a 360 range. You have a 180 and then another 180 on the other side there. Um, so maybe this particular robot does have the capability, which it's an M710 robot, I believe, which I'm not familiar with that being the case. But say for instance, the issue that if you have a reach issue back here, it's because the robot can't come behind itself. It has like a hard stop a lot of times right here in the back center of the robot. And then sometimes it can go a little bit over, like it may be like 190 degrees or something. Uh, and that depends on your robot model. I can't remember exactly what it is, but I know there are different variants of robots that give you a little bit more reach on the back side here.